ground meat of your choice. I use just over 2 pounds of ground beef. I love cooking with ground beef. It's cheaper, faster to cook, and you can do a lot with it. On medium-high heat, cook the ground beef until it's brown or no longer pink. Drain it and set aside. Add oil or leave some of the fat from the meat, then add onions. Sauté the onions until it turns translucent. Then add garlic. Cook until it's fragrant. Then add frozen mixed veggies of your choice. You can also use fresh green beans or long beans, fresh carrots, and drained canned corn. Or use any kind of veggies. The options are endless. Cook the veggies for a few minutes, then add the cooked ground beef. Add chopped jalapenos if desired. Leave the seeds if you like it spicy. Then add 2 packs of taco seasonings. I love to add extra seasonings like granulated garlic and onions, paprika, chili powder, and black pepper. I also added dried cilantro because I don't have fresh. You can also add dried oregano if you like. Then add up to 2 cups of water or broth. Add a tablespoon of better than bouillon or bouillon cubes. Mix thoroughly. Bring to a boil and add more water if needed. Mix. Bring to a boil. This is great on mashed potatoes, rice, on top of scrambled eggs, on top of cheese tamales, tacos or burritos. The options are endless. My husband said this will be really good in empanadas, which I think is a great idea. Cook it until the meat is hot and the veggies are cooked. I cook this until the sauce thickens. If you like it saucy, add more water. It's done. Thank you for watching.